agent recursion limit reached, because this is important. Okay, the recursion limit is set at 25. So this is the config that we are using in order to save you money, because these agents, they can just go on and they can work for that for in like an hour if you set it to unlimited. So this is very powerful, but it can be dangerous as well. So that's why we also introducing the second parameter, which is recursion on limit. And this one is allowing you to config what is the maximum recursive it can be running on the single turn. So for example, like in case that you are facing this problem, it's very easy. You just saying let continue. So if you start to move on from here, and it will do another 25 call because we set it in here in 25, and it will start to continue. Okay, so it does already. I add a brand mascot section from line here, like to line here. The result already here, but the access is not mentioned yet. So it will continue to update itself. So it means you don't even have to have external platform cloud in order to update the skill on this part, because itself can actually modify the skill of itself already, and it is something that's very powerful, because we create a closed loop where an agent can use a skill to verify the output, and it can also update the skill so that it will be improved. And the feedback loop, instead of like we copy and paste and further, we actually are doing it instantly, and it can be much faster. And as you can see in here, so what I just demoed to you is an agent that can fix itself. Right. Okay. So what it does is that it enhances the skill.md to add a complete mascot. It can create a mascot.md file, update resource section, and yeah. So we need to verify that, right? What is the agent is doing? And I'm going to go to my try. I go here. I go into my skill folder. I'm going to pixelmail brand, and I'm going to go to skill.md. So this is a file, and it's having some of the error, which is showing like this one. So this is a little bit unpressed to go, but if you click on the asset folder and reference, you will still see that, okay. Maybe I need to, yeah. This error is not that nice. I'm going to download this one. Okay. I'm going to open here so that we can easier. Let me search for mascot. Wait. It was already updated, right? So why is it no show on this? Let me go back to the agent and see what exactly it updated. Let me go here and try.create. So add set.mascot.md. Pixelmail brand.skill. Okay. Brand.skill. New string is having this add set. So where exactly it's updating this skill set? Okay. I think there's something wrong with this. So it will creating on the external folder instead of in the skill folder. So if you go in here and then you search for asset, okay. So actually update the asset skill already in this part, but supposedly actually it should modify this version of pixelmail brand in this folder, but for some reason it was creating this one. So maybe this is because I was not really prompting it correctly on this. So maybe let me come back and do it again and just saying you use the incorrect iPad. You need to update the this is under skill folder instead. You were creating a totally new folder under the root. All right, yeah. So just to talk to that like an intern that very smart, but sometimes it's just doing it wrong. Okay, the user is correct. I make a mistake. I updating this root level, but it should be on this one. Let's check correct path. Okay, it will reasoning. The skill is under the skill folder. Perfect. Now I see the correct path. Let me check. And I'm starting to delete the incorrect file. I will update the code. So it's just like that. So we are so it's going to do the delete on some of the older file which is wrongly created, and it's going to update in the correct file. And just give it a few routes, and it is going to be much more easier to get it done. So while we are waiting for the Kimi K2 is trying to update its skill again, I'm going to on Discord if you have any other question. Hey, yeah, thanks for that. So we will go. You can use in YouTube translation. We will have some of the like transcript operator as well. So perhaps that you can use that. So for Mr. PC Man, recursion limit is actually per human message. So after you sending one message, which is my message, like this, it will start to loop 25 times. Okay, I think we had the error again because of recursion limits. So you can continue. So it will start to do operation like thinking message and drive view and so on and so on. So it will cost. It's like a clock. So every time it go into one action, it's going to tick, 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 and then this one. This 25 is just a normal configuration, and you can set up this recursion limit is between 10 to 100, and the default is 25. So this means if you really have one agent that going to do the operation that you want, starting from the user message until it finishes the loop, then you can set it this number to lower or higher, depends on your use case. And kind of like I think comfortably I would like to do with 25, but for some agent, for example, like this agent that will do the file modification and do a lot of like recursive loop, then I will setting this higher. But be aware that it's going to be costly because we need to pay for all of the token that have been created by the agent, and it's to continuous recursive loop.